Do you want to allow users to switch between light and dark mode through custom elements or buttons? With the Dracula Dark Mode plugin, you can easily use custom elements or buttons to let users toggle between light and dark modes. Let's break down the process of using custom elements in your website. Navigate to Dracula Dark Mode, Settings, Toggle Switch, Custom Trigger, click on Add New Trigger button. Enter your desired CSS selector for the custom element, which you can grab directly from your website's HTML. For class, use a dot before the class and a hash before the ID. Select the type of action. Here you can toggle dark mode, switch to dark mode, and switch to light mode. Click the Add New Trigger button to add more triggers if required. Click Save Changes to apply the new trigger. This will add a custom toggle to your site, allowing users to switch between light and dark modes, triggering the element or button.